Medium. Ay, yung cute. Ang kulay.
Classic 250. Madam Den de la Cruz. Yours
Ganda
na
ng
kung
kulay.
minor po. Please send details.
Hello, ang cute. Medyo malaki lang to large to
Still
XL.
na yun, madam.
Oversize.
Si Classic.
Large to XL. Ganda ng kulay. For this one, code natin is green. Green for 199. Still 250. Good for sale. Large to XL. Large to XL.
Zara 199, Virginia Topang, yours na, Madam Virginia. Pasuyo na lang po ng deposit fee. May PM kami.
Ito, small, medium lang. Small, medium. Ganda ng kulay. Code natin, showbiz. Best fit, small, medium. Code natin is showbiz, 250. Sila 299. Good for sale. Small, medium. Code ay showbiz. Showbiz.
Kay Green, pa-up ng comments kay Green.
Ayan, maliit. Yan. Ano
Showbiz
sizes?
250, Joby San Jose, yours na
Ganda ng
Joby.
kulay. Ala, Bea Alonzo. Button down. Ang ganda nito. Oh my God, I love it. Code natin is Bea. Best fit, small, medium, hanggang semi-large. Code natin is Bea. 250, cancel lang 299. Good for still. Bagong-bago po si Bea, mga beb ha. Napakaganda ng quality. Super nice ang quality. Crap classic vest. Wow. Wow, ang ganda. Best
Bea
fit is medium.
250, Christine Ped,
Best
yours
fit is
na.
medium. Ganda. Code natin for this one is sweet. Ang ganda nito, promise. Crop siya. Sweet for 299 so 350. Bet na bet ko din yun. Ito maliit lang, small, medium.
Na-steal na po
Ganda.
si Bea ni Madam Christine Ped pa din.
Cute. For this one, code natin is brownies. 199 so 250, small, medium. At saka ito din. Ito
Sweet
medium, large.
350, na-steal ni Madam Joby. San
Marian
Jose.
ang code. Marian 250 sila 299. Med large. Marian. Ganda ng yellow nito.
Kay Brownies, may nag-mine ba?
Ang cute ng pink. Yellow.
Kay
Ito
Marian,
na,
pa-up ng comments.
ay, may slit sa gilid. Ayan, yung slit sa gilid. Best fit, large. Best fit is large. Code natin for this one is Dilaw. 150 silang 199. Best fit is large. Large size.
Brownies 199, Catherine Solis, yours na.
Loko, pag-aagawan ko. Very